Hershey Mending Fine Star Fruits. So we will gonna try this one. Hello. This one order, and then one order of this one.
Ano po yung star fruit?
Yes. We ordered two star fruit and pineapple. This one, star fruit is balimbing. You can eat fruit daw, this one.
Sabi ko kanina.
Is pag yung 55, pag 55, you can eat the fruit. Pag yung 55, eat lang. Dapat yung tasteless. Oh, masarap daw. That's the pineapple. And I'll make chicken the balimbing.
Paano kaya sasabihin ko?
Oh my God. What's that?
Si mama ko
Okay naman. Okay naman.
Sa ako, lagi ako sa safe. Hindi ako mag-i-explode yan.
So, tikim mo yun. Patikim nung pineapple.
Ayoko ng soup.
Pineapple.
Pala yung nabili mo eh. Gusto ko yung